Climate change is happening and has been a problem from recent years to present. Every time we burn fossil fuels such as oil, gas, and coal, they release carbon dioxide into the air, causing the planet to heat up, which means extreme weather events. But how do we stop climate change? To stop climate change, we need to reach net zero emissions. Net zero simply means keeping things in balance, meaning we need to cut the amount of greenhouse gases we produce by installing renewable energy sources such as solar panels and greener technology. But the real question here is this affordable to everyone? Renewable energy has responded in addressing climate change, but it may remain too expensive, resulting in a slower impact. Carbon neutral can deliver a quicker solution in reducing carbon emission at lower cost than renewable energy and fossil fuels. Focusing solely on energy efficiency may not be the best way to reduce our carbon footprint, merely because the materials used for construction, such as concrete, steel, and fiberglass, produce massive amounts of carbon when produced. But what is carbon neutrality, and how does this work? In the simplest term, everything that we do is related to the environment, from food, transport, and energy that we consume to waste management. The way we produce and consume fossil fuels such as oil and gas will leave a negative carbon footprint on the planet. Carbon neutrality helps reduce the negative impact to achieve the net zero emission. Carbon neutrality is sustainable, improves energy efficiency, and it helps reduce energy consumption. It increases the consumption of electricity from renewable sources and eliminates fossil fuels from climate change. The way we consume energy is the biggest contributor to climate change, and carbon neutrality helps address climate change. In short, we can always have healthy, sustainable, reliable, and affordable homes for everyone.